Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start a new topic that is known as your polynomials. In this video we will cover the topics polynomial, what is polynomial. After that we will see what do you mean by terms, what do you mean by coefficient in a polynomial. After that we will see what is the degree of polynomial. In degree we will see when the polynomial is one variable, then what will be the degree of polynomial, and when the polynomial is two or more variable, then what will be the degree of that polynomial. Now after that we will see the classifications of polynomials, that how polynomials are classified. Polynomials are classified on the basis of number of terms and second on the basis of degree. If polynomials are classified on the basis of terms, then they are further classified into monomials, binomial and trinomial. Okay, and if they are classified on the basis of degree, then the further classification is linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, biquadratic polynomial, constant polynomial and zero polynomial. So now let's start. In a previous class, we have already learned about algebraic expression. In class 8, we have done algebraic expression, and you have also gone through that in algebraic expressions that there are various operations like addition is also there, subtraction is there, multiplication is there, division is there. So there are different operations in that expression. So in that expression, there are two symbols which you observe. One is your constant and another one is your variable. One is constant and another one is your variable. Other one is variable. So constant, as the name suggests, constant means those whose values are fixed. Constants are those whose values are fixed. For example, normally are numbers. We can take any number like 2, 4, 100, 2 upon 3. So they are all constants. Why? Because their values are fixed. Now variable. Variable means those whose values are not fixed. They will vary. Not fixed. They are variables, and variables can be any alphabets like A, B, C, X, Y, Z. Anything can be your variable. Now what is constant? Constants are those whose values are fixed. They can be any number. What are variables? Variables are those whose values are not fixed. They are your alphabets A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z. These are your variables. Now coming on to algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? Okay, now let's see what is algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is a combination of constant and variables. Here, as you can see, that it is a combination. Means constant will be there as well as variable will be there. Constant means any number. Variable means x, y, z, a, b, c. Anything can be there. It is a combination of constant and variables connected by some or all operations. Some or all operations means either it can be connected by plus, minus, multiplication, division, by all the operations, or by some operations also it can be connected. Okay. Now here just see an example. X cube. This term x cube means x into x means which operation is there? Multiplication. After that, here also plus sign means plus operation is there. Then negative sign, minus operation is there. So means this is an algebraic expression with these expressions are connected by either plus sign, minus sign, multiplication sign or division sign. Now here only in this example you just see how many terms are there. Okay. So here if you observe that this x cube is your first term. After that, here this is your second term. After that, this third term. First term, second term, third term. This is your fourth term, and this last one is your fifth term. So how many terms are there? 5 terms are there. Similarly, let me take one more example. If I write down x cube plus 4xy plus 3. So now let's count how many terms are there. First term, after that this second term, then again one operation, after that this is your third, term. So how many terms are there? 3 terms are there. This is how we will see that how many terms are there in an expression. Okay, now let's see the definition of polynomials. What is polynomial? Polynomial is an algebraic expression. I have already explained you what is an algebraic expression. It is a combination of constant and variables connected by some operations. Either it can be addition, it can be subtraction, multiplication or division. So it is an algebraic expression in which variables are involved only non-negative integrals power. Means here this portion you have to keep in mind. Okay, so polynomials are those algebraic expressions whose power should be non-negative integral power. This means the power should not be in fraction form. If the powers are fraction, then it will not be a polynomial. The powers should not be negative one. Means they should not be negative. Power should not be negative. If the powers are negative, that means it is not a polynomial. So now in the exercise, you will see that some polynomials will be given, some expressions will be given to you, and you have to check that whether that expression is a polynomial or that expression is not a polynomial. Okay, so for that you have to keep in mind the expressions. The power should not be in fraction form and the power should not be negative one. Okay, here is one example of polynomial like 5x cube minus 4x square plus 6x plus 3. If anyone will ask you, if someone will ask that what is the coefficient of x cube? Coefficient of x cube is 5. Then after that coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square will be 4. Coefficient of x is 6. Okay, so these are your coefficient. Now let's solve some questions. Which of the expressions are polynomial? There are different expressions, 5 expressions I have given, and you have to check that which expression is polynomial. So now let's do. Question number 1 says x cube minus 5x plus 2. Means here you just check that power. X power is positive, normal fraction is not there, normal x is there, nothing negative, no upon, nothing is there. So this is your polynomial. This expression is a polynomial. Now let's check this, whether this is a polynomial or not. Here you observe that 2 root under root x plus 7. So under root x, if I want, I can write down like this. Root x means what? X power 1 by 2. Here root x is written. Root x means power is 1 upon 2 plus 7. As I have already explained you that power should not be in fractions, but here the power x power is in fraction, means this is not a polynomial. Now coming on to question number 3. Question number 3 says minus 6. If we want, we can write minus 6x to the power 0, because we have already done chapter exponents. X to the power 0 means what? Any term power 0 means value is 1. So here just see the power of x, normal number is there, fraction is not there, negative is not there, that means this is your polynomial. Now coming on to question number 4. Question number 4 says z plus 5 upon z plus 1. So here you observe this z is fine, power is your 1, nothing, okay. But this upon z, if I wish, I can write down like this also. Upon z means what? Z to the power minus 1, then plus 1. Z will go above in numerator and the power will become negative. This we have done in chapter exponents. Okay, so here you observe, here the variable z is having negative power, and I have already explained you power should not be in fractions and power should not be negative, but here you observe that your power is negative, so this is not a polynomial. Now just check this, question number 5. Cube root of y. So how can I write cube root of y? Cube root of y I can write down in this manner. Y 1 upon 3 plus 4. Again you observe the variable is having power in fraction. Okay, if it is having power in fraction, means again it is not a polynomial. Now let's move ahead.